In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a Toon shader with an unlit shader graph. So right click and create a URP unlit shader graph, and then double click to open it. The first thing we want to do is change the brightness based on the direction of the light. So add a normal vector node and add a main light direction node. Also, the light direction node doesn't exist in older versions of Unity, so you may need to create a custom node if you're using an older version. Then plug both these nodes into a dot product node, which essentially tells us the direction difference between these two vectors by returning a value between -1 and 1. Then add a remap node to normalize this value, and now we can see some shading on the shapes. Now to make it Toon, we essentially just need to round the values. So first let's divide the value by the shading size we want. I want to have just over 2 shades, so I put 0.49, which you can visualize like this. Then we just need to round this value using the floor node. And now we have Toon shading. At the moment the output is between 0 and 2.04, so let's remap this value to go between 0.3 and 1, and now the shades are closer together. Now let's add some more input and customization options to the shader. So let's add the variables. Add a texture 2D variable, add a color variable, add a float for shade size with a default value of 0.49, add a float for min brightness with a default value of 0.3, and a float for max brightness with a default value of 1. Now we just need to plug these variables in. So drag and drop the texture variable and plug it into a sample 2D texture node, and then multiply it by the current output value. And then same again with the color variable, just multiply it by the current output. Then add the min and max float variables to the remap node by adding them to a vector2 node first. And then lastly we need to change the static 2.04 value to be the result of 1 divided by shades. So add a divide node and plug it into a vector2 node, and then plug the output into the remap in value. And that's it, we're done. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like these. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.